Hi, this is Srija. I am from CSDC section department. Today we are discussing about the dictionary operations. So, what are the dictionary operations? A dictionary is defined as a general purpose data structure for storing a group of objects. A dictionary is associated with a set of keys and each key has a single associated value. When presented with a key, the dictionary will simply return the associated value. Now, what are the dictionary operations in Python? In before slide, we discussed about the dictionary operations only, but in this slide, we are discussing about the dictionary operations in Python. Dictionaries in Python are a collection of key value pairs that are unordered but indexed. A key value pair is generally separated by a colon, and one key value pair is separated from another by comma. Also, keys in a dictionary must be unique and must be of immutable data types like strings, integers, and tuples. Now, what are dictionary operations? So, we have some dictionary operations. So, we'll discuss about them. So, main operations on dictionaries are insert or update a value. Typically, if the key does not exist in the dictionary, the key value pair is inserted. If the key already exists, its corresponding value is overwritten with a new one. Remove a key value pair, test for existence of a key. Now let us discuss about some dictionary operations. Definition of operations creates an empty dictionary. So we have mutable operations and immutable operations. So we discuss now about mutable operations. Mutable operations are bracket adds a new pair of key and value to the dictionary in case that the key already exists, updates the value. And what is mean by del? Del is nothing but delete, removes an entry from a dictionary. And what is mean by update? Update is nothing but combines the entries of two dictionaries. So these are the mutable operations. Now let us discuss about immutable operations. What is mean by len? Len is nothing but returns the number of entries in a dictionary. Keys are nothing but returns a view of all keys in a dictionary, and values are nothing but returns all the values stored in a dictionary, and items are nothing but returns all the keys and their associated values as a sequence of tuples, and in is nothing but tests whether a key exists in a dictionary, and get is nothing but returns the value of a key or a configurable default. Set default is nothing but returns the value if the key is in dictionary, otherwise sets the value for the key to the default and returns the value. So these are some mutable and immutable operations. We have three mutable operations and we have seven immutable operations. So Python dictionary is like a map that is used to store data in the form of a key value pair. Python provides various inbuilt functions to deal with dictionaries. In this article, we will see a list of all the functions provided by Python to work with the dictionaries. So we have some Python dictionary methods. It is a tabular form. One side we have methods and one belongs to description. So these methods we have 11 methods. For this for them we have some 11 descriptions. So first method is clear. Clear is nothing but removes all the elements from the dictionary. And copy is nothing but returns a copy of the dictionary. And next from keys From keys are nothing but returns a dictionary with the specified keys and value, and get is nothing but returns the value of the specified key. And next is items. Items is nothing but returns a list containing a tuple for each key value pair, and keys are nothing but returns a list containing the dictionary's keys. And pop is nothing but removes the element with the specified key, and pop item removes the last inserted key value pair. And set default is nothing but returns the value of the specified key. If the key does not exist, insert the specified value. And update is nothing but updates the dictionary with the specified key value pairs. And values are nothing but returns a list of all the values in the dictionary. So these are some important dictionary methods and their descriptives. We have to remember this. So now we see some examples. For example, the results of a classroom test could be represented as a dictionary with the students' names as keys and their scores as the values. So this question is saying that in a classroom we will have students and their marks for subjects. So into we have to write by dictionary as a program. Then we take students' names as keys and their marks or scores as the values. So we have example results is equals to Anik 75, After BIT, James 85, Manisha 77, Suhana 87, and Margaret 82. So these are the student names and these numbers are their marks or their scores. So we discuss some main operations of dictionaries. Dictionaries typically support so many operations. Retrieve a value based on language. Attempting to retrieve a missing key may provide a default value or through an exception. Inserting or updating a value, typically if the key does not exist in the dictionary, the key value pair is inserted. If the key already exists, its corresponding value is overwritten with the new one. Remove or delete a key value pair. Test or verify for existence of a key. So these are some main operations of dictionaries. We have four operations. So Python dictionary is an ordered collection starting from Python 3.7 of items. It stores elements in keys or value pairs. Here, keys are unique identifiers that are associated with each value. Now let's discuss one example. If we want to store information about countries and their capitals, we can create a dictionary with the country names as keys and capitals as values. So in this example, they are saying about country names as keys. As we discussed about earlier, student names as keys and their scores as values. Like the same, we have here country names as keys and capital names as values. So we take in some country names and their capitals. We'll look into it. Nepal, Italy, England. The Nepal capital is Kathmandu, Italy capital was Rome, and England capital was London. So the keys are countries, the values are capitals. Now create dictionary in Python. Here's how we can create a dictionary in Python. We have a question that how we can create a dictionary in Python. For that, we have a solution, that is capital underscore city is equals to Nepal. Nepal's capital was Kathmandu, and the Italy is capital was Rome, and the England capital was London. So in string we have given it. So in brackets we have given this code, and print capital underscore city. So we have written a small program For that, the output we have to find. The output was Nepal, Kathmandu, Italy, Rome, England, London. In the above example, we have created a dictionary named capital underscore city. Here, first keys are Nepal, Italy, England, as well as we discussed earlier, and values are Kathmandu, Rome, London. Note here, keys and values both are of string type. Yeah, both are of string type, as I said before. We can also have keys are of different data types. Here we used string type, but we can also use other data types. It's a no problem. We'll get same output. Now we see some examples. Here we have one example, Python dictionary. Dictionary with keys and values of different data types. Numbers is equals to 1 ONE1, 2 TWO2, 3 THRE3. Now print numbers. We have a code like this. Now the output is 3 THRE, comma 1 ONE, comma 2 TWO. We have program as 123, but we got output as 312. In the above example, we have created a dictionary names of numbers. Here keys are of integer type and values are of string type. In this we have integer types and string types, we get it. Now one more method, it is removing elements from dictionary. We use the del statement to remove an element from the dictionary. For example, student underscore id is equals to 111 Eric, and comma 112 is Kyle, and 113 is Butters. Print initial dictionary, comma student underscore id, del student underscore id 111, and print updated dictionary, comma student underscore id. Here we have two prints where the output should come in two. Here they are asking first print is to print student underscore id, that is initial dictionary. In second print they're asking that they used a statement that is del means delete or remove a statement. They said to remove that id belongs to Eric 11, Eric number 111. So the output as initial dictionary, that means first print is 111 Eric, 112 Kyle, and 113 Butters, and the next updated dictionary is 112 Kyle, 113 Butters. Why we got this output like this? Because we used that there we used a del statement, I mean delete statement, as to remove 111 Eric. So we removed 111 Eric, and we written remaining two student names and their IDs. So this is also a small program. We can easily understand about this program. So we have so many programs like this, uh, easy and hard about both. If we understood, we can write it very easily. The Python dictionaries are very easiest. We have to understand them. So by this, I will end this session. Thank you.